Welcome back, everyone. Al's from Al's Wonderless Adventures in Dallas, Texas. Today's adventure will be indoors. I'll be visiting the Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf started in 2008 as a small collective in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Artists sharing an interest in publicly displaying their works and developing their skills together. The Real Unreal, located in Grapevine, Texas, follow the journey of an ordinary family who encounters the extraordinary thoughts of reading and memorizing interactive Artscape. Join me on this adventure as I walk through the Real Unreal at Grapevine Meow Wolf.
Is on the ancestral homelands of the Wichita and affiliated tribes of the Caddo Nation and other Native nations with historical presence in the area. We pay respects to the indigenous people, their ancestors, and the living communities today, and their knowledge keepers of tomorrow. 2023.
For the safety of all staff and guest members, no outside food, beverages, or alcohol are allowed in the building. Meow Wolf locations are located at Los Angeles, Houston, Grapevine, Denver, Santa Fe, and Las Vegas. I highly recommend you go to the Meow Wolf website to purchase your tickets, because there you can select the time that you want to go. Meow Wolf offers discounts on admission tickets for children, active and veteran military personnel, and their dependents. Children ages 3 and under are free. I highly recommend this be a good place to take your family. It's unique, interesting, and fun. I'm 6 foot tall. Well, keep on watching and you'll literally see me go into a washing machine. Thank you for watching. This video gives you an idea if you have not been to or thinking about going to a Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf is a great place for your family to visit. Thank you to all my subscribers and all who are new to my channel. Welcome. If you want to join me on future adventures, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Until next time, when possible, go outside and explore. Here we go, both of us will be going into a washing machine.